Hello there. I'm here with Backstage. You may not be able to see us, but we do exist. We are actually here. Ben, do you want to just come in a little bit?
Yep. Hello. I'm Ben, maintainer of Backstage, a one-off.
Fantastic. Okay, Ben, we're going to step back now so Ben can do a quick demo for us. Go ahead, Ben.
Yeah, so I guess Backstage, we've been a CNCF project for 5 years. Nearly 5 years, right? I think, yeah. We open sourced like 5 years ago. It's basically two things. It's what we call our own internal developer portal at Spotify, but we also open sourced kind of a framework to enable you to build your own developer portal, your own company. It's plugin based. It's designed to be a single pane of glass, basically, for your organization. So it doesn't replace any of your existing tools. It's just a layer on top of all those existing tools to bring them all into one place. There's a lot of plugins that you get out of the box. We have right now a software catalog, so this is a place where you can ingest all of the different running software components, services, websites all into one place, and see different owners where they fit inside the company or into different systems, domains. I can go and click into one here, so I've got the Backstage demo component here. So I am gonna reject this login for now. I'm just gonna ignore that for a second. So basically, you can see here this is high-level information around a particular website in my organization called Backstage Demo. I've got a description. I know who owns it. I can go click on the source to go, jump into the actual code where it's based. It's just like a demo repo. I can also see things like CI/CD. So this is like a plugin. I can click on this and I can see. Actually, can you sign it? Actually, it's probably easier, and I can actually. Oh wait, no man, no. There we go. We didn't need to do anything.
Cool.
And I can see all the builds. So this is basically you can just get actions, but we've got plugins for Azure DevOps, GitHub. There's 200 open source plugins over. Internally at Spotify, we've probably got the biggest, I would say, deployment of Backstage. We've got over 200 internal plugins that are for different use cases for our developers internally. So it's definitely something you can take, make your own to fit your organization's needs.
Sure.
Another thing I can show you actually is creation of new components. So this is also a good way to get started with Backstage. Is if we can't build a software catalog, let's create one. So what we want to do here is simplify the creation of new components. So an engineer coming to a company might spend a day, 2 days, whatever, trying to spin up a service inside their organization with monitoring metrics, all this stuff, setting all that up. Where what we can do here with the scaffolder is basically abstract all that away, and create these reusable templates, which you basically just give an engineer a form for them to fill out, the name of the component, what sort of language you want to add in there, and bake all your company's best practices into that component straight away. So I can click and create here. We've got a little demo template. I'm just going to click on this one. You basically fill out some things here. What's my name? My name's Ben. What light or dark mode? These are all some options that you can configure yourself. So as a template author, I can decide what sort of questions I want to ask an engineer, to get some information around what I want to put in the template. So for instance, this one's just going to go and create a simple docs site, I think. But you can imagine this is any kind of service. Maybe it's got Kubernetes manifests in there. It's got cloud formation templates, whatever. I'm just going to tick a few boxes here and go next, and I'm hoping that this is going to go and create something. I'm just going to log in as Patrick again. Do you have a test dog that I can just put this in or no? Yeah. Oh wait, no you don't. Do you have one? Oh, there we go. Can I just pick any one of these? That one. And I'll just go and create a new repository here, and let's just call it. What? Never mind. There we go.
So is any name?
This is just going to create a new repository. So what this is going to do is just go and create a new repository, and go and template these values in, do some specific templating logic, and create as a new repo. But you can imagine inside your own company, you go and create a new repository. You might create a pull request to go and add something to a mono repo. You might, whatever you want to do really. It's all based into the template. I click on review. I click create. I'm not sure if it's going to work. This is a bit of a gamble because I've not run this on Patrick's machine, but it did work. Okay, so basically, actually this is going to create a repository. I can go and click into the GitHub repo. I can see that it's created a new repo, but never mind for me. It's created commits. It's put some files in there. And I actually think it does go and try and deploy something. So I think if we go to like the GitHub Actions, you'll see that it kicks off a build. But this is basically scaffolding a new component. That's very high level.
Fantastic. Yeah, I appreciate it. Well, I mean, I can certainly see the automation capability there, and the templating which will help developers and those kind of in the platform engineering space. Ben, thank you very much for your demo. Appreciate it.
Thank you.